When we were third-year theology seminarians at San Carlos Seminary, our formators formally distributed us to different committees that we will be handling for the upcoming school year. I know my prowess in terms of liturgy, in my academics, and in sports. At akala ko po isa doon sa mga alam kong kaya kong gawin ang ihahandle ko. To my surprise, what was given to me were not what I expect, but what I least expect. To be a committee chairman for music and arts. At ano po ang kinalaman ko sa mga bagay na iyon? Nakanta ako pero hindi ako natugtog. I can appreciate beauty but I am no painter. Hindi po ako katulad ni Monsi. Painter yan at magaling po yan mag-flute. No? Walang-wala po ako sa mga bagay na iyon. No? At that was my dilemma when we entered the school year. And all the while, I will be excelling with what I know. But what was given to me was the least expected I wish that I'll be handling. Pero alam niyo po, nung napagnilay-nilayan ko po ang turnaround of events na ito, siguro po pinarealize ng Panginoon sa akin, baka kung yung kaya ko na yung ibinigay sa akin, maging mayabang lang ako. Kaya naman ibinigay sa akin ang mga bagay na ito para matuto ako at para magpakumbaba ako. To say and even express that I need help, that I may be able to learn and maybe to unlearn things, I need to bow down my head and seek and be fed with the help and support of people. My dear brothers and sisters, we begin the second day of the ordinary time with hearing with the letter of St. James. And he left a beautiful remark to us. God gives grace to the humble. It is in humility that grace can flow. Kung masyadong nagyayabang, nagmamataas at nagmamagaling, baka hindi na natin binibigyang daan ang grasya ng Diyos sa atin. Ngunit minsan, ilalagay tayo ng Diyos sa pinakamababa para matuto tayong umangat at umasa sa biyaya ng Diyos. Greatness, on the one end, for the Lord, is not measured with the large volume of your voice or with the many endings at the end of our names. It is being the last and the servant of all that will definitely bring us to the greatest. Nairaos naman po sa awa ng Diyos yung dalawang chairmanship na iyon. At alam ko po, hindi naman po dahil sa galing ko, dahil sa grasya ng Diyos, sa mga utak at kamay na umalalay sa akin nung panahong sinabi kong kailangan ko ng tulong at nagpakumbaba akong humingi ng tulong at ng kakayahan din nila. Mga kapatid, ihanda po natin ang sarili natin na mailagay sa mga mabababang sitwasyon sa ating buhay para umasa, matuto at manalig tayo sa Diyos. We might forget the Lord when we cling too much to ourselves. In humility, we also remember what we have responded a while ago. In humility, we throw our cares on the Lord and be assured how will the Lord help us, raise us, and bless us.